Ever struggled to get your Photoshop designs to print perfectly on standard A4 paper? Let's dive into exporting your work as an A4 PDF, ensuring your professional designs are ready for any printer or distribution first. We need to set up our Photoshop document to the correct A4 dimensions. Go to Image, then select Canvas Size. In the Canvas Size window, you'll see options for width and height. Make sure your units are set to inches or centimeters. Either works for A4. The standard dimensions are 827 inches wide by 1169 inches high, or 210 millimeters wide by 297 millimeters high. Input these values carefully. It's crucial to ensure no important artwork is being cut off when we adjust the size. If your current canvas is smaller, you might need to increase it. If it's larger, you'll be trimming it down for this tutorial. Let's assume we're setting a new canvas or adjusting an existing one to these precise A4 measurements. Click OK to apply the changes. Now that our canvas is perfectly sized for A4, it's time to export. Head over to File, then choose Save As or Save a Copy. From the Format drop-down menu, select Photoshop PDF. A new dialog box will appear with various PDF settings for general A4 printing. The Photoshop default preset is usually a great starting point. However, if you need specific quality settings, you can adjust them here in the compression section. Ensure downsample is set to a reasonable resolution like 300 pixels per inch for good print quality, especially if your original image resolution is high. Navigate through the other tabs like General, Compression, Marks and Bleeds if you have them, and Output to review your options for a standard A4 PDF. The default settings for General and Compression are usually sufficient if you're aiming for high quality. Click Save PDF once you're satisfied. And that's it. You've successfully exported your design as an A4 sized PDF. This ensures your work will print correctly on standard A4 paper, maintaining professionalism and accuracy in every detail. Happy designing!